Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have these MACXCOIP MACXCOIP, and they are some wood drill bits, and it goes all the way from 1/8 all the way through 1/2. So we have a variety of sizes, and you can tell that these are wood bits. They've got the little point at the top to get you started with, and whatever else goes on with that. And these ones here are cool because they have the little hex, the ones that kind of plug into the drill easy, so you don't have to have the whole chuck business and all that. They are a little bit sharp, I can even feel it, but to put it in, you just kind of stick it in there and it should, oh, it did, it snapped into place. So there we go. So now it's solid in there. What do I have? I have a 1/2 inch one. Yes, I do. So I'll show you guys what a 1/2 inch hole looks like when you drill one. I've got just a piece of wood here in the vise. It's, I don't know, 1/2 inch wood. So you see, very straight, and you get a nice, one there. And what's great about these, they're super easy to change. I can go for that, and then if I wanted to do a tiny hole next to it, I can put a little tiny drill bit in there and drill away. Super easy, super nice. Look how fast it goes through this wood. I mean, even that 1/2 inch one went through super good. So I will say that these bits here are really nice and super easy to do, and it comes with a little storagey little thing here, and it tells you all the different sizes. So I like it. So thumbs up for me.